What's up, everybody? So last time we did a lot of stripping paint on the vehicle. We got about 80% of the paint on the exterior stripped. The rear quarter panels, roof, front fenders, doors have all been stripped down, primered. Now, instead of continue with stripping paint on what's left, I want to take a break and try and attempt to do some of the rust repair on the rear hatch area. Let's go. Alright, so here's one of the areas I need to repair. What I'm gonna do is knock down all this surface rust and get that taken down so I can prime that over. There's an area here that got cut out, which I'm gonna try and weld this piece back in. Weld this piece here in, but also I need to knock this down here where there's a lot of rust and see how bad that is, if I can save it or not. Alright, so I prepped the area, got off as much of the rust, as I needed, or as much as I think I'll need to weld in that piece. I'm gonna do a couple of practice runs with the welder. I just have a Lincoln 125 flux core welder. It's not bad. Still learning. I myself are by no means a welder by trade. I basically been teaching myself, practicing on my own, and hopefully I do a good enough job. So we'll see. Alright, so right now I got the piece tacked in. It's in there pretty well. It came out a lot better than I thought I would do. I gotta straighten out the piece a little bit, grind down the excess so that I can get everything flush, and then grind down the weld so that I can get everything flush back. But yeah, came out pretty good. Take a look. Don't mind my weld. It's not the prettiest, but I'm gonna grind that down after I just got everything tacked. So yeah, just gonna close it up and then grind it down, get it straightened out. All right, so I got everything welded on, grind it down, shaped it out as best as I could. Came out pretty good. Everything else, I'm gonna, body work this before paint. But I mean, she's not pretty, but she's strong. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, so she's definitely not the best, but I think it's pretty good. For my first time doing this, gonna move on to the next troublesome part. Right here. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop this off and then weld back in a piece. Yeah, let's see how that goes. Alright, so we just finished putting in the patch over here. You can see a slight lip or overlap here after grinding it down, but with a little body filler I can get this flat. It's too hot. Got it. So came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Yep. Alright guys, so we got a lot done today. I'm actually really happy with the way things came out. By no means am I a professional welder. That was actually my first time, second time actually welding body panels on a car. The other time was when I did Allen's wide body BRZ a while back. But yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with the way it came out. Is it perfect? No. Is it pretty? No. But I plan on, you know, touching it up with body filler and getting it pretty later on. But for somebody who doesn't know how to weld or is, you know, learning as he goes, I think it came out pretty well. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.